Hello! Do you want to find a toy that will help your child to learn and to have fun at the same time? Here, we're introducing you 4 different activities to fit into this beautiful task. First, we are going to introduce you the magnet letter builders. Children, while doing this activity, learning more about letters and how to create these letters and how to write these letters in future. In the second activity, that is called the counting nuts, the kids are using their fine motor skills to match the number of the nuts with the number on the bolts. In the third activity, the child was using letter puzzles to create the word from several pieces while learning about the spelling of the word and how the words represent the pictures. And in the fourth activity, our children are using the magnetic sticks to build different objects from them, such as letters, numbers, shapes, and different things they would like to build, like even labyrinths or mazes. Thank you for joining us again. These are games. They are not only for fun. They're helping your children for growing and developing.